Imagine having access to over 150 Dalle prompts, 300 plus sample images, exclusive bonuses like the Ultimate Reseller Kit to create stunning AI art and generate passive income. Let me show you how this game-changing deal works. Hi, I'm Asasi and welcome back to my channel, where I showcase the best AI tools for creators and entrepreneurs. Today, I'm diving into the Lifetime Access DALL-E Prompt Guide Library. This incredible bundle not only helps you create beautiful AI art, but also gives you the tools to start a passive income stream with master resale rights. Stick around as I'll randomly test out some prompts to show you exactly what you'll get with this package. So as you see, this is the sample images. It's over 350. I'll just click on a few. Each of them, each category comes with 2 sample images with the corresponding prompts. Over here is the Lifetime Access prompt guides and bonuses. And as you see, these are all the prompts. And you can find the bonuses in the bonuses tab. It comes with a how to start selling Dalle prompt guides, a Etsy listing kit, a PayHip mini guide, email sequence template, also Instagram story template, post, reel, Pinterest, Facebook. Also, it comes with the Etsy listing writer GPT and a guide to go with that to teach you how to use it. The Creative Spark Plug GPT, which helps you create a marketing strategy. And so far, my number one GPT, Millionaire Mindset GPT. I have over 100 people have used it, and I got my first OpenAI review for this particular GPT. So it's really popular, really good. Also comes with a product delivery template and a how to use product delivery template video showing you how to reuse it and sell this entire library as is. And you can sell it on Etsy, in your own shop or wherever you want to sell it on, and except for eBay. Also, so I want to show you, this is the product assets link template where you can insert the link for the Google Drive and Google Sheets library if you choose to do that. And this is just showing you a few of this Instagram story template. This is the Etsy listing writer book that comes with the GPT, 5-day launch email sequence. And I've actually used this and got some sales from it. Very useful. Again, you can change this for your own branding. You can also resell this. Everything that is included, except for the AI tools, you will be able to resell. Let's see. And this is the guide that teaches you how to sell the Dalle prompt guides. And this is a Etsy lesson kit, give you details on how to craft compelling Etsy listings. And I think what I'm going to do is because this is my birthday month, we're going to create a few prompts. And I have the Capricorn. Oh, also I should mention that I have uploaded 12 zodiac prompts for the entire year, all 12 zodiacs, and that's also including Lifetime Access. And every month I upload prompts. This year I am working on stickers and clip arts, so each month there'll be a mix of sticker, clip arts, and images. So let's say, like I said, since this is my birthday month in Capricorn, let's go ahead and try out a prompt. And I was going to say, feel free to screenshot this as a GIF. And I'll show you a quick trick. I'm not sure, you may or may not be aware of this, but if you screenshot this, okay. Now, you can actually take a screenshot and you can upload this. And, oops, let me say, can you extract the text from this image? And what it will do, it will extract the text. So just a little quick tip. Okay, and there's the extracted text. So just a quick tip for you. I really hate when it comes over here to the side, but we'll just work with it. So I'm going to say, go ahead and create that image. All right. Beautiful. So for all you Capricorns out here, I'll make sure I'll add this to my YouTube freebie library and you can download this image for yourself. So let's see, let's do Aquarius for the January Aquarius, and that's my rising sign. So I'm going to do Aquarius as well. And let me get back to, actually, you know what? I can pull it up in here. Let's see. All right. And I love this image. Let's go to the prompt. And we're going to pop that prompt in here. Oops, I forgot to give it to you. Let me, okay, there we go. There you go. Put it down some so you can screenshot this prompt with Aquarius. And beautiful. Okay, so let's try, I'm gonna go into my library and just randomly choose a prompt. And as you see, it'll come, everything, all these prompts can be edited in Canva. So I'm just gonna say edit template. Yeah, this one is cute, so let's do this one. And I have the example prompt over here, and then I also included a customizable template so you can recreate and change up some things, and so that way it'll look different. And also there's a link to where if you click on it, let's do that real quick, it'll open up to Google Drive and you'll have access to the sample image for that particular guide. So let's go and create our own. And you can screenshot this. Let me up just a little bit. Okay, you can screenshot this prompt, my freebie to you, and let's see what it creates. Oh, boo. Okay, come on. I've done this several times. Let's see. Okay, there we go. This is cute. All right. And I will do one more. Yeah, I think this is one of my faves. So let's go ahead and open this one. Get that prompt. Okay, so let's go ahead and get that prompt. Pop it in here. Okay, this is cute. It gave her an extra heel in the back, but that can actually be removed in Canva. So that's a quick fix, but I like it. Let's try it again. All right, I like that. That is nice. And I will show you the prompt so you can screenshot and use this one. It's supposed to say it's a God in me, but it's saying it's a God in you, which is fine. So that is a demonstration of the Lifetime Access Library. Like I said, it comes with 6 bonuses. Majority of it is editable in Canva. And I want to thank you so much for watching. If this Lifetime Access DALL-E Prompt Guide Library feels like the creative and business tool you've been waiting for, check out the link in the description to grab it today. And in celebration of my birthday month, I have a 50% off coupon that you can use. And if you're ready to create your own AI tool and automate your workflow, don't forget to join my AI Workflow Collective Beta program. The details are also in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite AI art themes or tools, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!